If you want to set up access point names for your SIM card on the Poco F8 Ultra, you can do that by opening settings. Now go to the mobile and networks, and over here you have to go for one of your SIM card, and now go to the access point names, and here click on the new APN in the left bottom corner, or you can change the current one by going here. So for example, if I want to change the MNC, I have to go for it, use a keyboard and click OK to apply those changes. But if you want to create the new access points, then you are here and you have to actually use the information from your network provider. And after you input any changes, you have to click save. And of course, it's not possible right now to save this because I just didn't input any information. But once you actually set everything, it will be visible just over here under the first one, the default one.